Agriculture still remains the backbone of Malawi's economy, and it accounts for 1/3 of the GDP. In addition to that, 80% of Malawians are employed in the agricultural sector. However, a large proportion of small-scale farmers in Malawi are highly dependent on land-fed agriculture, which is susceptible to drought due to climate change. This implies that food security has been erratic for the past decades. The vast arable land for crop production remains idle for 8 to 9 months every year. In the past years, the government of Malawi and other organizations have promoted use of motorized irrigation pumps, which have been found to be costly to land by resource-poor farmers. Therefore, meeting household and national food security requirements will require a substantial investment in irrigation technologies. And one promising technology is solar-powered irrigation system, which has minimal operation costs since they neither require fuel nor electricity. This technology can also greatly contribute towards reduction of greenhouse gas emission. In this context, Smart Energy Enterprise plans to be a leading provider of solar pump irrigation systems and related services. Smart Energy Enterprise aims at providing affordable solar pump irrigation systems to small-scale farmers in order to improve their food and income security, whilst mitigating climate change-related effects. The company will provide affordable solar irrigation systems on a loan basis, which will be recovered in a period of 3 years through farm produce levies. At the end of the loan recovery period, the irrigation scheme will be transferred to farmers who will assume complete ownership. Water for irrigation will be obtained from lakes, rivers, or even boreholes. Smart Energy Enterprise will also construct and install water reservoirs on site, which will also act as fish ponds in order to widen the scope of revenue generation. The incomes generated from the fish production, water user fees, and produce levies will be used to construct more solar pump irrigation systems in diversified regions across Malawi as well as. Furthermore, with an inclusive value chain approach, Smart Energy Enterprise will address the problem of farm produce marketing by processing and packaging the rice products. If these projects is adopted in most regions across Malawi and all over African continent, then I believe that in the next 30 years, most African countries will experience increased levels of per capita income and food security.